Golden Globes are done, and now everyone is looking forward to the Academy Awards. Joining us via phone is the other half of the only two Filipino members of the Hollywood Foreign Press Association, Janet Nepales, is joining us with her thoughts on Oscar nominations, snubs, and surprises. Miss J, hello and welcome to Kababayan today.
Hi, Janelle. Kumusta na? Happy New Year.
Yes, Happy New Year. Congratulations. Successful staging of the Golden Globes.
Thank you very much.
All right. First is congratulations also to our Kababayan nominee for an Oscar award.
Yes, si Robert Lopez nominated nga for Frozen, Let It Go. And yung kanyang asawa ang kanyang co-writer dito. So we're so proud of him. He was also nominated for Golden Globe. So he's been doing it very well. And you know, he's known for the Avenue Q and
Yes.
of Mormon too.
All right. Okay. And now, as we talk about some of the other categories, let's start with the Best Motion Picture of the Year. Ms. J, what are your thoughts on the films that were nominated?
I was very happy na most of them were, a lot of them were my choices, kagaya ng American Hustle, Captain Phillips, at saka Gravity. Kaya lang na-shock din ako dun sa Rush, wala kasi doon, at saka yung Inside Llewyn Davis. So, in-expect ko sana yan. But I was also happy for Dallas Buyers Club na nakapasok because magaling talaga ang acting din doon ni Matthew McConaughey at saka ni Jared Leto.
But speaking of Captain Phillips, in Best Actor category, thoughts that Tom Hanks didn't make the nomination?
Yeah, that is so sad, and it was really a shock that they did not include Tom Hanks, and he was really very good there. And also yung si Robert Redford in All Is Lost. Those were my yung snubs nila na hindi sayang lang yung hindi na-include sila doon. Pero I was happy also na Chiwetel Ejiofor, his first nomination for Best Actor, that he was there. Tsaka si Matthew McConaughey also. Yung first nomination din niya in that category. I was happy also that he was included.
All right. And in the Best Actress category, your thoughts on the nominations?
So Best Actress naman, yun nga natutuwa rin ako, nakuha rin nila lahat yung mga gusto kong nandoon. Kaya lang, ang na-miss din natin yung si Julie Delpy for Before Midnight, si Greta Gerwig for Frances Ha, Julia Louis-Dreyfus for Enough Said, Emma Thompson for Saving Mr. Banks, and Kate Winslet for Labor Day.
Right. So, ang daming hindi nakapasok ng mga actresses, although we must make mention of Meryl Streep, extending her lead as the most nominated performer.
Yes. Alam mo si Meryl, 18th nomination na niya and 16th in this category. Talagang,
wow.
Ano na siya, Hall of Famer.
Oo nga. Hindi naman siya palaging nanonominate. Alright. In the Best Director category, naku, marami atang mga snubs dito.
There's a Best Director si Paul Greengrass ng Captain Phillips uli, and na-miss yun. At saka ang Coen Brothers, their Inside Llewyn Davis movie, hindi rin nakasama. But also happy for Alfonso Cuarón, which is his first nomination in this category. At saka si Steve McQueen din ng 12 Years a Slave, also his first nomination in this category.
And happy for Woody Allen also, one of the most nominated as well.
Yes, alam mo si Woody, lahat na lang writing, and he's a lot of writing, palagi siyang nominated sa writing and directing. So he has already been included parang dun sa most writer with a number of writing nominations for his 16th nomination.
Yeah,
and I'm also happy for David O. Russell kasi back-to-back ang kanyang nominations for this, being a writer and a director for American Hustle.
Talk about multi-talented, don't see Woody Allen. But speaking of talent, Miss J, again, congratulations, successful staging of the Golden Globes. They're saying that you can't talk about the Academy Awards without talking about the Golden Globes, because they're saying that the Golden Globes are essentially the tip sheet kung sinong mananalo sa Academy Awards.
Yeah, marami ng mga napili din namin are in their list. Konti lang ang mga difference nga, yung mga sinabi kong mga na-miss din. But most of the time, yung aming list is already like
all right.
Simula ang mga awards doon.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and more power to you. We hope to have you back on the show.
Thank you very much, Janelle.
All right. Guys, thank you for joining us. This has been Janelle Sawyer, Kababayan in Los Angeles. I'll see you next time.